Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto from Crypto.com. First, download the Crypto.com app and complete the registration process. You'll need to verify your identity by providing necessary documents, which is a standard security measure. Once verified, link a payment method such as a bank account or a debit card to fund your purchases. This setup ensures a smooth and secure experience for your first crypto purchase. After setting up your account, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit money using a bank transfer, which might take a few business days, or instantly with a debit card. Be aware of any associated fees for each deposit method, as they can vary. Once your funds are available, you're ready to explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies offered on the platform. Now for the exciting part, buying crypto. In the Crypto.com app, simply navigate to the Buy section. You can then browse and select your desired cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, review all the transaction details carefully, and then confirm your order. Your new crypto will appear in your wallet almost instantly. Once you own crypto, it's important to manage your assets effectively. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance within the app to stay informed. You might also explore features like staking or earning interest on certain cryptocurrencies to grow your holdings. Remember to understand the withdrawal processes and any associated limits or fees if you decide to move your assets off the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.